Introducing the letter V. V is for volcano, which blows hot. V is for vacuuming every carpet spot. V is for a violin, playing a song. V is for a vine, growing green and long. V is for valley, and vibrate too. V is for voting, for me and you. What else starts with the letter V? How about video game? Vet and vase work too. Can van and vest be added to the crew? Can you think of words that start with the V sound? Quietly think. Now turn and talk to your neighbor. Great job! Let's write the letter V. Lean down, lean up, lean down, lean up, lean down, lean up. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching Kinder Romp.